Dear viewers, you are watching my channel MNR Creations. Today we are going to learn how to remove notifications and pop-ups ads in your system. Sometimes in your desktop right side here corner many pop-ups and notifications and ads will be pop-ups, anything like pop-upping and continuously pop-ups over here. We want to remove. If you want to remove those things, just follow few steps. Three steps are there. Just follow me. Just simply go to press Windows key in your keyboard, like this. One key will be there in your keyboard. Press it, then press E key. E for Explorer. This Explorer is by defaultly installed in your Windows while you install Windows application, Windows operating system. On that only this application is installed. Just open the application. If your Windows, if your internet is connected to this system, then this icon will be enabled. Otherwise, click on this option. Then this share button is enabled. Go to share button. Here some icons, some icons are appears over here. If you notice any icon, whatever you have getting ads and notifications and pop-ups on that name, any icon is appears here. Right click on it and remove the tick like this. Right click on it, remove the tick. But if any icon, if there is no icon on that name, whatever you are getting pop-ups, means just right click on mail, just remove like this option, particular this mail. If you want to all Cortana assistant and all other icons, if you want to remove notification also you can remove, but mail you have to remove the tick. Okay, first setting is completed. Second, again press Windows key on your keyboard. Left side you can find settings icon. Go to settings. In setting, first option system display sound notification power, like that one system option is there. Just get into the system option. Here third option notification actions option is there. Click on it. In right side drag. See here 5 options are there. Those notifications are totally put on. This notification should be put off. Put off all notifications completely. Here no OK button and save changes. Just put off the all options. Simply go to home icon. In the setting only go to home icon. After systems notifications we have put off. After that go to devices. In this icon, in the devices, go to pen and Windows ink. Pen and Windows ink. In this option, this title is maybe different in some other. If you install Windows Home or some other versions, in any version, in every version, this title will be different title will be there. But this notification is same. Show recommended app suggestions. Put off this option. Okay, completed. All 3 settings we have completed. Just close the window. Any modification done in your system or any apps installed or uninstalled in your system, those things, those effects will be effects after restart only. Please restart the system and check the things, whatever for which thing for we have done this all things. Just you can notify that no pop-ups will be pop-ups over here. Just you can notify, and this video is maybe basic thing for you, but this thing is a very big thing for others. Some people will be facing many problem by the pop-ups on the Windows desktop. Please share the video if it is if you okay with this video. And one more thing, please subscribe the video, then I can improve my quality, and then I can improve my technical knowledge, and I can share the technical knowledge to you. First of all, subscribe and like, share. Why? Because it can improve my quality. Thank you.